Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Escape oil. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, and new oil. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and the oil filter, which might be near the engine block. Now, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Ensure the pan can hold the full capacity of your engine's oil. Once the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. You might need an oil filter wrench for this. Prepare your new filter by applying a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter hand tight, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it firmly but not over-tightening. Now it's time to add the fresh oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, typically around 4 to 5 quarts. Pour the new oil slowly into the fill port. After adding, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Top off if needed. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil at an approved recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.